Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Please stay at home and keep reading. As you all know that lockdown has extended to 3rd May, so we have nothing to do without reading. So be prepared from 360-degree angle for the prelims so that you can confident enough for the mains. So let's get started. I have created a poll on my Telegram channel that what should be the next topic there. There 42% people have voted for it. So I am making this video at that moment. Don't worry, I will also making the other videos in my next videos. So today's topic is about how to prepare for CSAT paper. First, we will discuss about the book list for CSAT paper. Basically, this video is for only those who can feel that CSAT is quite difficult for them, and those who are coming from arts background or humanity background and feel that CSAT is quite difficult for them. This video is only for them. But those who coming from medical science background or engineering background and feel that they are good enough in CSAT, they can avoid this video. First, we will see the book list. Aryan CSAT manual. Basically, here I am giving many sources, but I am personally follow this book, Aryan CSAT manual. This is the 2018 edition because I have started my preparation from 2018 and I have printed the 2018 and 19 CSAT paper. Here you can see 2011 to 2017 and this is 2018 edition. So if you start from 2020, you can get the updated one and you will get the 2019 papers or 2020. Those who are preparing for 2021, they can buy the updated one, which includes the 2020 papers also. Then many aspirants thought that this book is quite difficult to understand them, but so they want to start from Kiran's math, reasoning and English for SSC. You can also do it by yourself. If you think that Aryan CSAT manuals questions is quite difficult or quite standard, so you can start with SSC math or reasoning book also. Then last 10 years question. Practice the last 10 years question. Printed out it. You can buy it from market or you can print it the previous year question papers and start to solving them. After solving them, if you see that you are giving or you are getting 70 or 80 marks in the CSAT paper previous year, then you can skip the book also, CSAT manual or Kiran's math GI. Okay, then give at least 10 full mark of CSAT paper. If you are not enough confident by giving the last 10 years questions, then give at least 10 full mark test of CSAT paper. Then I hope you will get the confidence from it. And from the first to the 10th mock, I think you will get the bad marks in the first mock. Then rectify your weaknesses or try to find out where you are making the mistakes. So find out your mistakes and try to recover them by giving the mocks. Then practice 10 math or 10 reasoning or 10 comprehension for CSAT paper before 3 months of prelims. Basically, this is a new approach I have invented. Basically, those who are following my 110 days for prelims 2020, they all know that I am giving them the day targets along with 10 math, 10 reasoning, 10 comprehension for one day. If you can't give or if you can't take the full mock test or solve the 10 years, then you can solve the 10 math, 10 reasoning, 10 comprehension for every day. Give at least 30 minutes for every day before prelims 2 to 3 months before. Right, then strategy. Focus on your strength, not the weakness. Here I will tell you that this is a qualifying paper and you have to qualify it in by 66 marks or 70 marks. So here no need to focus on your weakness, just focus on your strength. But your strength should be the 2 subjects. You cannot qualify it by stressing on one subject. So you have to focus on 2 subjects, at least 2 subjects according to your choices. Number 2, just target 2 subjects according to your strongness and weakness. This is also I have discussed that you should choose your strongness and you should choose your weakness, that in which subject you want to focus more. Basically, mine is English and reasoning. I am focusing more on reasoning and English because I am coming from English background. My I have completed my graduation in English literature, so this is my comfort zone, and reasoning is quite easy for me, but I have less knowledge in math, so I have skipped the math part. But if you feel that you are good enough in math and reasoning, or math or English, whichever it is, you should focus on your strength. Then give at least 30 minutes every day before 2 to 3 months of your prelims. You should give at least 30 days before 2 to 3 months, that you are so confident enough while giving to prelim centers. You should be confident enough that I am well prepared for the CSAT paper also, because without clearing this paper you cannot clear the GS paper. So you cannot take it lightly, because this can make or break your path to give the mains. Then don't take it lightly. It can waste your whole year's preparation. I am telling it again and again so that you understand that how it is important, because I have seen many I have seen many aspirants who cannot clear the prelims just because of the CSAT paper, and they take it lightly, because many aspirants thought that it's just qualifying, so we don't have to read or write for this paper. But this is not the right strategy. You have to be prepared for each and every subject of UPSC, at least for qualifying also. Then learn from your mistakes, try to rectify them in the next mocks. When you are giving the mocks, you are doing the mistakes, right? From the first mock, you will make at least 20 mistakes. I am assuming that you are making 20 mistakes. You have to reduce it by 2 or 3 mistakes. Here you have to, basically this is a paper of math reasoning, so here you cannot make negative marks, so, or you cannot take here the guesswork. This is not the GS paper. You have to be confident enough in these subjects so that you can get a good marks for qualifying. Then you have to score 66 plus. That means your target should be 80 plus, and try to solve at least 40 questions from 2 sections. You have to focus on 40 questions, because here I will tell you that here 80 questions are there, 2.5 marks for each, and time is 2 hours. Then you have to answer 40 questions, because this time questions will take huge time to solve them for the math and reasoning also. Then 40 questions, you have to take 40 questions 20-20 from your strong subject or your strong point, right? Because in English at least 30 questions are asked in the English, math or reasoning 50 or 25-25, right? So you have to pick the 20 questions right and 20 questions right. At least solve the 40 questions so that you can get the 66 or 70 marks, right? So here is the strategy for CSAT paper. I hope this video will helpful for you, all of you. Please like and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you like this video. And if you follow this video, or if you follow all the rules, I hope that I am sure that you will qualify in the CSAT paper also. So don't worry, keep studying. Goodbye everyone.